Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Okogene. If today's the first time that you're seeing this channel, you're welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like and share. So today's tutorial is a very simple tutorial. I'll be teaching you how to cut this collar. It's very easy, it's very simple. If this looks like something that you're interested in, please keep on watching. Let's go over to the tutorial right about now. So the measurement for the neckline is, let me do it somewhere here. The measurement for the neckline is 20.75, which is almost 21. So we're going to cut the stand first. So to cut the stand, all you need to do is you have to measure the 20.75 divided by 2 and then you mark. So 20.75, which is this. I've folded it into 2, right? So the 20.75 I've measured here, and then I measured from here to here. I divided the 20.75 into 2, and then I took the measurement from this edge, which I folded, to this edge. So from this point, you will go in by, from this point, you go in by half an inch, and then you mark. So the next thing you're going to do is from this measurement here, which is this, you're going to divide it. You're going to divide it into 2, and then you're going to mark. So what next you're going to do is you're going to curve it from here to this point. Like I said, if you don't have your curve rule, all you need to do is to do a dotted line to curve it from here to here. It's just to do a dotted line. Next you're going to do is you're going to take 1 inch upward from the edge, 1 inch. So for the dotted line, you're still going to take the 1 inch up from that dotted line, not from the edge, not from this point. Let me move this line up. So what next you're going to do after now is to do at this point is for you to come in by half of an inch, and then you mark here. Yes, half of an inch, and then you mark here, and then so let me use my marker. So let's go ahead and cut. So this is the stand. So what next we're going to do is to cut the collar itself. So let's rule a line because this place is not straight anymore. So ruling the line, and next thing we're going to do is to take that same measurement that we folded, which is this point, which I've already folded here, and then the collar stand, the collar length, I'm doing 2.5. So I'm running a straight line. So for the collar, this is what I'm doing. So at this point, you will take half of an inch, 1 inch in, and then you slant, which is this, and then from this point, you take half an inch up. After doing that, you just curve it from here. You curve it and it's here. So the next thing you're going to do is to cut out. So this is the pattern and this is the collar and this is the stand. So I'll be using paper stay for this. Let me drop this aside. I'll be using the paper stay for this. I'm using the paper stay to cut this out and cut it on the fabric. So let me get a piece of fabric I want to use. So this is a piece of fabric, and then I'm to cut them. I'm to cut it into two. Don't know if you understand. Let me see if I put this into two. Also, it will fit to cut this actually. So I need to know. Just use a piece of fabric. So to cut this, I'm not going to add any allowance. Just want to know if it fits. So it fits. Let me use this to hold it down. So I'm holding it down so it doesn't. So this one, let me keep it aside. Next, I'm cutting So I'll go ahead to iron this and iron this on the fabric, and then I'll show you what next to do. So I've gone ahead to cut it on the fabric. I ironed this on one part. So I have a part that I didn't iron, which is this part. And then I left some allowance, as you can see from this is the actual fabric measurement, while this is the allowance I actually left. I also did the same thing. I also did the same thing for this one. So we'll be going ahead to stitch this now. So what next we're going to do is we're going to sew this. So we're going to sew this round and leave this side open, right? We'll sew these parts with close to the paper stitch that we added, and then we'll leave this part open. To attach the stand to the collar, what you need to do is I've already ironed it. You fold it into two, and then you get the midpoint. You will notch. The same thing you will do for the stand. You fold it into two. The cuff part actually. So you do the same thing here. You will get the midpoint here, and then you knot. So remember, this one has the collar. So you place this here, midpoints to midpoints. So what you do is, I want to pin this midpoint. So you sew like so and meet it. Please arrange it properly when you're sewing. Right? So you sew like so to form the curved side. Let me go to my machine and join this. So we have come to the end of this particular tutorial. So what next you're supposed to do is you're supposed to fix this on your shirt or your dress, whatever thing you want to add your shirt collar to. So this is how it is. This is what it looks like, and this is the, let me find the hard side. So this is the hard side of the collar. So this is the one facing outside, while the softer one is the one we attach, which is this one. It's the one we attach inside. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.